Now a rainbow's tale isn't quite as nice as the story we knew of sugar and spice. But a rainbow is easy once you get to know it, with the help of the magic of a Pegasus device. Mythology. It's easy to misjudge that floating city with its alluring decor and social psychology. But with all great things comes a great responsibility, that of Clarksdale's being weather stability. How, you ask, are they up to the task? To which the answer is in a simple facility.
Where not a single soul gets through. In the rainbow factory, where failures